How to use the famous 369 manifestation method from Nikola Tesla. Hello everybody. In this video, we will see what is the famous 369 manifestation methods and how to use it. Manifestation is attracting definite results in your life through the positive thoughts you release into the universe. It may seem all too simple, but when you think about it, setting your thoughts towards your goals makes perfect sense. Still, followers of manifestation and the power of positivity would say that it takes more than willpower to properly manifest your ideas. There are techniques to make sure that you manifest correctly. One of those is the 369 method based on a theory by Nikola Tesla. Before going forward, if you like videos about manifestation, please subscribe and tick the notification bell to be notified of further videos published. Also, in the description, I have a link to a free guide to effective manifestation and to valuable shortcuts in your path to success. Wait a minute, Nikola Tesla? Isn't he a scientist? What's he got to do with the spiritual art of manifestation? Apart from being a famous inventor and mathematician, Nikola Tesla was also known for his spiritual enlightenment. He believed that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 were divine numbers that contained the key to the universe. These numbers have unique attributes. Number 3 is said to be our direct line to the universe. Number 6 is our innate strength that's waiting to be awakened. And number 9 allows us to release any negative energy we might have. Though its roots come from Nikola Tesla, the 369 method is actually created by Karen Yi, a Chinese astrologer and life coach. She fused Tesla's 369 divine energy with Abraham Hicks' 17-second rule to create a powerful manifestation ritual that anyone can do. What is the 17-second rule? Abraham Hicks proposed the idea that the brain takes 17 seconds to create the energy of any thought in our heads. This energy allows you to prepare yourself to receive this thought and manifest it into being. It's like the power of positive thinking, but a bit more scientific. In other words, if you want to attract something, you have to focus all your energy on it for at least 17 seconds. This is roughly equivalent to 2 sentences. Easy enough, right? Say you want a promotion. Your affirmation could be something like, I thank the universe for this opportunity to bring about positive change in my workplace and for using me as an instrument to lead and inspire these good people I work with. Here, you're expressing a clear and confident affirmation that this promotion will be yours. By using the present tense, you're confirming that this job will be yours in due time. So now, how does the 369 method work? 3 times in the morning. Write down your affirmation thrice in the morning. Imagine that you've already achieved that promotion. Imagine how you would feel once you sit in that office and give your thank you speech to your colleagues. You need to truly feel that you've already gotten it. That's the key to manifestation. 6 times at noon. Midday is a magical time. When the clock strikes 12, it means that half the day has passed and the other half has just begun. It serves as a reminder that time is moving faster than you think. Write down your affirmations 6 times at around noon, just to help you keep your mind on what truly matters to you. 9 times before bedtime. The most humbling time of the day is right before we go to bed. We're exhausted. We just want to climb into that bed and forget about the day's events. But this is where you need to remind yourself once more of your affirmations. Write them down 9 times before you close your eyes. Sometimes they will appear in your dreams. This makes the thought much, much stronger. Writing down how you want to shape your life is a start, but you have to put the work in. Remember to align your feelings with your thoughts as you write. Claim your goals. They're waiting for you on the horizon, and when you're ready, they will come to you. What do you think? Please leave your comment to share your experience, or even if you disagree or have doubts. I have put together a free guide to make manifesting easier and faster. You can find the link in the description, and if you like the video and want more on manifesting, make sure to subscribe so you do not miss out on future videos. Thank you for your time, and see you in future videos.